more modern than madrigals anyway. We got the opportunity this week to read a new work by one of our members, Gillian Madsen, who has written her first choral composition, as a matter of fact. May I ask you on the spot, is this also your first poem? Yeah. Okay, she's written other poems, because she also wrote this poem. This text is hers, as well as the music. This is not her first poem, but this is her first choral work. On the off chance that those of you in the back room may not catch every single word of this, I'm going to take the liberty of reading the text because it's not very long and it's rather clever, and it'll make a lot more sense to hear us sing this if you know what we're singing about. So this is the text that we are about to sing a composition based on. It's called Cicadas in Winter. What if cicadas emerged in the winter? They wouldn't have time to be loud. They'd be building a snowman, or drinking hot cocoa, or checking the roads are all plowed. And by the fireside in the night, when they are making s'mores, they tell each other tales of what they did the days befores. Cicada sounds. They probably couldn't go get a degree, because they only live for 6 weeks. So they just make the best of their icy adventure and leave many nymphs in the trees. And then we'll make some more cicada noises. Cicadas in Winter by Gillian Madsen.